So, good afternoon, everybody. So, today we are here to play our daily Yescoin. So, we click on tap, we launch. So, after we launch, we wait till it load. Can you see it loading? So, this is how we mine the Yescoin. You can see the boot running, doing it itself. You can also use your hand to do it so that it could be fast. So we have earn, we have friends, we have build. So for you to increase your mining, you can go to build. So we have our daily chest and full recovery. Your daily, you have 3/3. This one is 3/3. So for here you can click on your chest. So all this will increase your mining. You back. So you do what? You mine again. So it will bring this box. So the box will open and you mine. You must be fast so that you can able to scratch it. So you continue like this. So this is how you mine your Yescoin.